Are you worried about being unprepared in an emergency situation? Here are the 5 best options I've found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Number 1, the Rico Juxi 262-piece survival kit. What caught my attention here is not just the sheer number of items, but the fact that this kit is designed to cover all your bases during a crisis. Priced around $60, this kit is a solid investment for anyone serious about emergency preparedness. If you want peace of mind knowing you have everything you need, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It includes crucial items like a survival shovel with a pick, which is essential for digging, setting up camp, or even self-defense. The 262 pieces encompass first aid supplies, camping gear, and emergency tools, all packed in a convenient crossbody bag. So if you're facing an earthquake or tornado, you can access food, water, warmth, and light. The included fishing kit helps you catch food, while the collapsible water container ensures you can store vital resources. Now, some people complained about the weight of the bag being a bit cumbersome during travel. Here's the thing though, if you're genuinely preparing for a disaster, having all these tools in one place is worth a little extra weight. This is perfect for you if you're a family person, someone who goes camping often, or lives in an area prone to natural disasters. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra light for a day hike. With over 4,000 sold in just the last month, it's clear that many find this kit to be a great value for money. Now, if the size of the Rico Juxi's kit seems overwhelming, the next product simplifies things considerably.
Product number 2, Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel. Right off the bat, this piece is built like a tank with a price tag of around $28.90. If you want a heavy-duty, versatile tool that can do it all, this is worth a serious look. What makes this shovel stand out is its 3-in-1 design. It can function as a shovel, pickaxe, or hoe, which means you can handle everything from digging to breaking up tough soil. When extended, it measures 22 inches, but folds down to just 9 inches for easy storage. This compactness is crucial when you're packing for a camping trip or storing it in your car. Made from carbon steel, this shovel is not just durable, but also corrosion resistant, so it can withstand the elements without falling apart. However, some reviews mentioned that the locking mechanism could be a bit tricky to operate at times. Here's the thing though, once you master it, you'll appreciate the sturdiness of this tool. It's designed for serious use, not just for the occasional weekend warrior. This is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who need a reliable tool for digging in various terrains. Skip this one if you're just looking for something lightweight for casual use. For the quality you're getting, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize portability. Product number 3, Plachidae Lightweight Camping Shovel. This one caught my eye because of its super low price of just $11.99 and its portability. If you want something that's easy to carry and won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. With its folding design, this 18.5-inch shovel collapses down to just 7.5 inches, making it incredibly easy to stash away in your backpack or car. Made from high-carbon steel, it's both sturdy and rust-resistant, so you can rely on it in various conditions. It's not just a shovel either. It can be used for digging, chopping, and even sawing, which adds to its usefulness in the field. Some users did mention that it might not hold up to heavy-duty tasks as well as some pricier options. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a reliable backup tool or something for casual outdoor use, this performs admirably at a fraction of the cost. This is perfect for casual campers, hikers, or anyone who needs an emergency tool without spending a fortune. Skip this if you need a shovel for rigorous use or professional applications. For the price, it's a steal. Now, if you want something even more multifunctional, the next product might just be what you're looking for. Product number 4, the IUNIO Camping Shovel, which is priced at about $22.99. This caught my attention for its multifunctionality, making it a great option for survival enthusiasts. If you want a tool that combines several features, this is worth a serious look. The IUNIO shovel isn't just a shovel. It also includes a saw, bottle opener, whistle, and even a compass. This versatility means you're getting a ton of functionality packed into one tool, which is perfect for camping or emergency situations. The high-carbon steel construction ensures it's sturdy and wear-resistant, which is crucial when you're out in the wild. Additionally, it folds down to a compact size of 8.7 inches, making it easy to carry. However, some reviews noted that the shovel might be a bit heavier than expected for extended hikes. Here's the thing. For the added features and durability, many users find it well worth the minor increase in weight. This is perfect for those who want a one-stop solution for various outdoor activities, from camping to hiking. Skip this if you're looking for a straightforward shovel without all the extras. Given the quality and features, it's a strong choice for your money. Now, if you want something that's also lightweight yet durable, our final product may be exactly what you need.
Product number 5, Digging Shovel Portable. We have a more budget-friendly option, the Digging Shovel Portable, priced at just $9.99. This one appeals to those who want something ultra-lightweight and easy to use. If you want a no-frills, affordable tool for outdoor tasks, this is worth a serious look. This shovel is compact, measuring 18.5 inches when extended, but folds down to an impressive 7.5 inches. It's designed with a serrated edge that allows you to cut small branches, which is helpful for kindling while camping. Made from high-carbon steel, it's lightweight yet durable and rust-resistant, ensuring it can withstand outdoor use. Some users mentioned the handle could be a bit small for larger hands, which might be uncomfortable. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something that's easy to pack and use for light tasks, it's a fairly minor issue. This is perfect for casual campers or anyone needing a portable shovel for light use. Skip this if you have larger hands and need a more robust tool. At this price, it's hard to argue against the value. Now that we've gone through all 5 options, let's quickly wrap this up. We've covered some solid choices today, from the comprehensive Rykojuksi kit to the ultra-portable digging shovel. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Rhino USA folding survival shovel because it balances durability and versatility perfectly. I'd avoid the Unio shovel if you're looking for something lighter, as it can get a bit hefty. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.